Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Jira Cloud REST API with API tokens. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Jira Cloud REST API with API tokens, start by logging into your Jira. Navigate to the Atlassian account settings. Locate the security section in the left sidebar. Click on API token to proceed. Select the option to create a new API token. A dialog box will appear, prompting you for a label. Enter a descriptive label for your API token, like My Jira API token. Click the Create button to generate the token. Once created, you will see the API token displayed on your screen. Copy the token to a secure location, as you will not be able to see it again later. Next, open your preferred development environment or tool for API testing. You can use tools like Postman or curl for making API requests. In Postman, start by creating a new request. Set the request type to GET, POST, or whichever method you need for your Jira interaction. In the URL field, enter the Jira Cloud REST API endpoint you wish to access. For example, to get issues, use https://your-domain.atlassian.net/rest/api/3/issue. Now, go to the Authorization tab in Postman. Choose the basic auth type for the authentication method. In the username field, enter your Jira email address. In the password field, paste the API token you copied earlier. Make sure to save your request settings for future use. Next, click the Send button to execute the request. You should see a successful response from the API if everything is set correctly. This response confirms that your API token is authenticated properly. You can now interact with the Jira Cloud REST API using the token. Remember to keep your API token secure and never share it publicly. For further interactions, simply adjust the request type and endpoint as needed. That's how you successfully authenticate the Jira Cloud REST API using API tokens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.